Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add the famous Flickr effects to your video in CapCut. So this one is super easy. So what you need to do is just go to text and just add any letter that you want. So in this case, I'm using the I letter, and then just change the font that has a bold structure. So I'm going to go with maybe this Marvin, and then just go to style and set the opacity into around 10 to 15% and change the color to black. Then click on the check icon first and adjust the size so that it cover all of your clips. So just zoom in like this, and also adjust the duration. Then what you need to do is go to the animation, find loop, and select flash. Okay, find flash. What is it? Okay, this one. Then adjust or how much or how the speed that you want. I'm going to go with 0.2 seconds. Just click on the check icon. Then you'll have that flicker effect to your video. Okay, so that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on thanks. Bye.